Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's different from the money we use every day because it's not controlled by banks or governments. Imagine sending money to a friend without using a bank. That's what cryptocurrency lets you do. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Now there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own special features. Some are used for payments, while others are for building new technologies. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography, a type of secret code to keep transactions safe. So your money is protected from hackers. It's like having your own digital vault for your money. Think of cryptocurrency as a new way to use and invest money. It's exciting and growing quickly. To buy and sell cryptocurrency, you need a platform called an exchange. It's like a digital marketplace for crypto. It's important to choose a reputable exchange to keep your money safe. Look for exchanges that are well known and have been around for a while. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These exchanges have many users and are considered trustworthy. Before choosing an exchange, check if it's available in your country. Not all exchanges operate everywhere. Make sure the exchange supports the specific cryptocurrencies you want to buy. Remember, security is key. Choose an exchange with strong security measures like two-factor authentication. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you have an exchange account, you need a crypto wallet to store your digital money. A wallet is like a digital bank account for your cryptocurrency. It keeps your crypto safe and accessible. There are two main types of wallets: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are apps on your phone or computer, while hardware wallets are physical devices. Hardware wallets offer the highest level of security because they store your crypto offline. Popular hardware wallets include Ledger and Trezor. If you're serious about security, consider a hardware wallet. When setting up your wallet, make sure to keep your private keys safe. Your private keys are like your password to access your crypto. Never share them with anyone. Now, it's time to buy your first cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to make your first purchase. First, fund your exchange account. You'll need to deposit money into your exchange account to buy crypto. Most exchanges accept bank transfers or credit/debit card payments. Next, choose your cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Do your research and choose one that aligns with your investment goals. Then enter the amount. Decide how much you want to invest and enter the amount. Remember to start small and invest only what you can afford to lose. Finally, review and confirm. Double-check all the details of your purchase, including the cryptocurrency, amount and fees. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you've just made your first crypto purchase. Your purchased crypto will now appear in your exchange account. Section 5. Protecting your investment tips for smart trading. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky. It's important to protect your investment by following some simple tips. Remember, knowledge is power. Start small, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile and prices can go up and down quickly. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, take the time to understand its technology, team, and potential. Secure your accounts, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts. By following these tips, you can minimize your risk and increase your chances of success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Section 6. Understanding the risks. Crypto isn't without dangers. While cryptocurrency offers great potential, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Like any investment, there are possibilities for things to go wrong. Volatility, crypto prices can change very quickly. They can go up or down a lot in a short amount of time. This can be exciting, but also risky. Scams, be careful of scams. Some people might try to trick you into giving them your money or personal information. Always do your research and make sure you're dealing with trusted sources. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrency. New rules could affect the value of your investments. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is like riding a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always stay informed. Section 7. Starting small, dreaming big. Advice for new investors. Entering the world of cryptocurrency can feel overwhelming, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and never stop exploring. Start with what you know. Begin by investing in well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're like the blue-chip stocks of the crypto world. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Join online communities, follow crypto influencers, and ask questions. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Think long-term. See cryptocurrency as a long-term investment. Don't expect to get rich quick. Patience and a long-term vision are essential for success. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not just about making money. It's about being part of a global movement that's changing the way we think about finance. Section 8. The Future of Finance. Why Crypto Matters. Cryptocurrency is more than just a new type of investment. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the world. Imagine a future where sending money is as easy as sending a text message. Cryptocurrency can make cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more efficient. You have complete control over your money. No banks, no intermediaries, just you and your digital wallet. New and innovative technologies are built on a decentralized platform. Cryptocurrency can power the next generation of the internet. It's an exciting time to be a part of the cryptocurrency revolution. By understanding the basics, managing your risks, and staying informed, you can be a part of shaping the future of finance. Remember, fortune favors the bold, and in the world of crypto, the possibilities are endless.